Good afternoon, everyone. So today we'll be discussing about introduction to evaluation matrices. So in the previous lectures, we have built our linear regression model and made predictions. Okay. So an important question arises is that how do we know if our model is actually good or not? We need a way to measure how close our predictions are to the actual values, and that's where evaluation metrics come in. In this lecture, we will learn some important matrices like you can see the matrices. Okay, so let's get started. So let's start with a very simple metric, that is mean absolute error, okay, or MAE. So MAE calculates the average of absolute difference between actual value and the predicted value. We take the absolute value so that all the error becomes positive, and we only care about how big the error is, not its direction. So mean absolute error is easy to understand and gives a clear idea of how far our predictions are from actual value. The smaller the MAE, the better our model. Okay. Next we have mean squared error, okay, or MSE. So MSE is similar to MAE, but instead of taking absolute values, we square the error. This means larger errors get penalized more heavily. For example, if one prediction is very far from actual value, MSE will increase significantly. This makes MSE useful when we want to strongly penalize big mistakes. Again, the goal is to minimize the value. Lower MSE means better model. Next we have root mean squared error. Okay, so it is simply the square root of MSE. The advantage of RMSE is that it brings the error back to the same unit as the original data. For example, if we are predicting salary, RMSE will also be in salary unit, which makes it easier to understand. It still penalizes larger error just like MSE, but is more interpretable. Again, lower RMSE means our model is better. Then next we have important R squared. Okay, so R squared measures how well our model explains the data. In simple terms, it tells us how much of the variation in the data is captured by the model. Its value ranges from 0 to 1. If R squared is close to 1, it means model is doing a very good job. If it is close to 0, the model is not performing well. So unlike MAE or MSE, which measures error, R squared gives us an overall performance score. Okay, next we'll do the comparison. ठीक है? MAE gives us the average error in a simple and easy to understand way. MSE squares the error, so it penalizes larger mistake more. RMSE is similar to MSE but easier to interpret because it is in the same unit as the data. And R squared tell us how well our model explains the data overall. So depending on the problem, we choose the appropriate matrices to evaluate our model. Okay, so now we have understood very well that how to evaluate our model using different matrices. This is very important step because building a model is not enough. We must also measure how well it performs. Okay, so in the next lecture we will move to multiple linear regressions where we use multiple features to make predictions. So I am grateful to all of you for coming till this part of video, and please leave your point of views. Did you like the videos or not? And I have also attached quiz so that you can learn in a better way. So thank you once again to all of you for coming and joining the lecture. Okay, do come for next lecture. So thank you so much.